Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Mix Minute. My name's Tim, and today hopefully I can teach you something about audio. So today's video is about something that we use a lot, headphones. So there's a lot of hype around headphones these days. A lot of prosumer headphones out there for people that are just enthusiasts listening to music, but there's just tons of stuff everywhere. So first I want to talk about the two main types of headphones that exist out there in our world. First, the most important one that you buy is a closed back headphone. The back of this headphone is closed. When we have a closed back headphone, the first and most important thing in my opinion is isolation. How well does it shut out the outside world? And subsequently, how well does it shut out the music from coming out of the headphones? Obviously, because we're in front of a microphone, we don't want sound leaking out back into the microphone. Right? We don't want to hear the track in the microphone while the person records, or we want to hear it as little as possible. So we get as little bleed as possible. So the first pair of headphones you should own is a pair of closed back headphones. Probably two pair if you're going to be recording somewhere else. One for you and one for the person recording. The second type of headphones that you would use in a studio are open back headphones. These headphones might be hard to see, but they have a grill that allows sound to come through. So when I put these headphones on my head, I can still hear the world around me. It's a little muffled, but I can still hear the world around me. So what's the purpose? Why open back? With closed back headphones, I have like a sealed area around my ears, right? And sealing stuff holds pressure, suction cup to your head, right? A speaker actually exists in the air, is allowed to push stuff around. Things move all around it, which creates a more natural sound. That same type of idea goes with open back headphones. What about stuff like noise canceling and Bluetooth and all that other stuff? 99 out of 100 times I want a wire connected to it, an analog connection in that case. Another thing, noise canceling is like an active equalizer. It's constantly listening to the world around you, and it's creating an opposite phase of that signal to try to cancel out noises that exist around you. Inexorably in doing that, those opposite phase frequencies color the sound of everything else. So it's like an equalizer that's working on your mix the whole time. So hopefully that'll allow you to cut through some of the hype that's out there and just focus on getting a good functional pair of headphones for your studio, or a couple functional pairs. Yeah, you don't need all the bells and whistles, but you just need a couple important features. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully it helps you make the right decision about your headphones. As always, check out the other videos, and if you're watching on a platform, throw a thumbs up. And until next time, take care.